It's interesting because historically, through millennia, the humans, philosophers have had fascination with the concept of the conscience. Well, where does this... They've always been thinking, where does this morality, you know, what's right, what's wrong, come from? Because it seems like most people in society do feel what's right and wrong. They do have the feeling of what is right and wrong, or, you know, in terms of determining it. And yet the average person in society generally doesn't listen unless the conscience is about something that's major. Like, should I murder somebody? Well, the average person on earth goes, no, you shouldn't murder somebody. But if you have to go to war, murder's okay. Or if you're pregnant and you don't like the father, murder's okay. In that abortion is okay. If you, you know, there are other periods of things that where we think, you know, murder is sort of justified. We just talked about religion. If somebody's got a different religious faith than mine, and they're, you know, too pushy about it, they don't shut up about it, then you can get violent with them, and to the point of murdering them if you want. There are these exceptions to the rules. So even though almost every country on earth has a law about murder, which is indicative of the human conscience at work, there are times when every country on earth says it's okay. So we're not very consistent either with the application of the law based on the conscience either. The same applies with things like rape, abuse, things like that. You know, we say that these things shouldn't happen, but they're happening all the time. So there's obviously got to be a problem with regard to the exercise of the conscience.